So this is Monday morning, week after Jeep Safari. We've got a Gladiator that is broke up on right above Rocker Knocker. They broke. But you guys will recognize this rig. This is the one we repaired a couple weeks ago with the broken aluminum knuckle. He went and got that fixed and came back and broke something else. When you wheel the hard trails, stuff always breaks. So we're gonna run in, get him out of there, and get him welded back together, and then get him out of there. So we got the buggy, and Wile E, we brought the buggy because it's got the welder on it. So we're gonna go up, weld it back together, and then hook a strap and get him up to the top. It all runs and drives once we weld it together. So everything should be fine. Walker. No, you'll have to go all the way down. They turn into him. There you go. There, now she'll start climbing. I kept telling them yesterday, I was like, does it feel bad? They're like, yeah. I'm like, you're on the right line. Yeah. Go down there and try to come around the winch point. Okay, we interrupt this recovery to talk to you about, yes. I know this is not my style and I apologize for this, but anyway, it's YouTube and I have to do what I have to do. They do randomly unsubscribe people for whatever reason to make sure that you're watching. So if you could, please subscribe, and we really do enjoy this. Therefore, I have to do the other side of that, which is ask for you guys to subscribe, like, comment, blah, 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 blah. So I don't do that very often. We're seeing a down spike and stuff. I don't know if people just aren't watching. I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Back to the recovery. I heard you whisper.
Long time no see.
Yeah, please stop making a habit of this.
Right? How you doing, puppy? Down here, trying to see what we got.
Yeah, it turned out that good.
Yeah. Oh, the pinion's rotated way up, huh?
Yeah, because these broke. We need to pull Wile E in front,
okay,
and anchor it to Wile E and hold it so then we can put it in neutral and it'll just about kick itself back down. We've got to get the tension off of it, otherwise we're just prying for no reason. Oh! So that's closing up right there. That's the bracket that's breaking. This one we're gonna have to twist and bend up into place. All right, that side is there. If that goes over 180, Sean,
Okay.
kick on the fan.
All right.
Split the side out right there. So that's where it was leaking from. So, all right.
Yeah, we ended up spending the night. Had some friends that were with us, and they were hoping to go back and get a welder, but it didn't have power and what have you. So
okay,
they got a hold of you, sounds like, this morning, and here we are.
Here we are.
They went back to
Again.
town and got a Rory.
Yeah. brought water?
No.
Coolant.
It's legit
different.
coolant too. Yeah. What you really do with the road?
Yeah, now
you
everybody's
feeling
worried.
okay?
I'm so confused.
Like I said, I think to the main road, this is the quickest. I'll pull down every obstacle and then just spot everybody down.
Whoops. Yeah.
It's gonna drop. Yeah. Okay, back's coming down as the front's gonna, so it's all gonna drop together. There we are. Yeah, go ahead. Coming down. All right. Guys, be careful.
Mountain Dew.
Hell yeah.
Thanks to mine.
Check.
That looks pretty good, Sean.
Okay. Turn this way hard, hard.
Man, that thing sounds cool.
Okay, now turn all the way that way. Back up a hair. Okay, right there. Driver tire, that set of rocks right here. The furthest one this way, that big slab rock.
Oh yeah.
Aim right for that. It'll free up. There you go, there you go, there you go. Just like that.
Careful, it's real slippery right there.
Okay.
Nice save, nice save.
All right. Now come this way. Yeah, that set of rocks, this closest one, so when you want to turn, yeah, come down. So now start turning this way. Let it roll. Don't try to hold it. Let it roll. Let it roll. Beautiful. Just like that. There you go. Nicely done.
Good driving, dude. That's cool.
Driver hand. There you go. Let her roll. Right now. Let her go. Let her go. Faster. Give her a hook. Oh, okay, quit. Okay, driver. Beautiful. Okay, turn hard into it. Okay, hold there. Turn all the way that way. Okay, back up. Okay, hold there. This way. Winch. Change the winch. Nailed it. Good. All the way, driver. All the way, driver. Put it down. There you go. Yeah. There you go. got him back, got him welded back together, got him off the trail. There's a couple spots we had to winch, and a little spotting. No big deal. Like I said, Gladiators are long rigs, and that's a heavy one. But all in all, it went pretty well. Couple hours round trip, so I'm really glad we took the buggy instead of the wrecker. Pritchett's getting to be a place that it doesn't need to be in there unless it absolutely has to be. Of course, the buggy probably shouldn't be in there anymore because we gotta tear that thing down and fix some issues, especially after this guy's been driving it. Anyway, normal shenanigans. Thanks for watching. We're just drumming to the beat of a broken vehicle.
Yeah.
It's not broken, it's just a van.
Right. What kind of side hill action are we going for now? Oh,
ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I wasn't expecting that bump.
Right? That was awesome.